These days, you can carry smart assistants, printers, and even TVs right in your pocket. Don't believe us? Then check out this huge selection of tiny gadgets, if you need more information about these products. Please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Mini Automatic Mouse Jiggler Plug. The Mini Automatic Mouse Jiggler Plug and Play USB device is a compact and efficient tool designed to keep your computer awake without the need for software installation or manual interaction. Ideal for users who need their system to remain active for long periods, such as remote workers, IT professionals, or anyone attending virtual meetings. The device automatically simulates slight mouse movement, preventing the system from entering sleep mode or activating screensavers. This plug-and-play USB mouse jiggler requires no drivers, making it universally compatible with most computers and operating systems. It features a simple on/off switch with an indicator light, ensuring clear visual confirmation of its status. Its miniature design allows for discreet placement, and it's perfect for situations where maintaining computer activity is necessary without interfering with normal mouse usage. Product 2. Product name: Retroid Pocket 4 Pro. The Retroid Pocket 4 Pro is a powerful retro handheld game console designed for gamers who seek portable access to classic and modern titles alike. Featuring a 4.7-inch touchscreen, 8 GB RAM, and 128 GB internal storage, expandable up to 512 GB via microSD, the RP4 Pro runs on Android 13, allowing for smooth emulation and compatibility with a wide array of game systems including PSP, PS2, GameCube, Dreamcast, N64, and more. With integrated Bluetooth connectivity and support for wireless controllers, the RP4 Pro is not just a retro emulator, it doubles as a versatile Android gaming device. Its compact form factor, enhanced performance specs, and extensive game library support make it a standout option in the growing market of retro handhelds. Whether you're revisiting old favorites or trying classic titles for the first time, the Retroid Pocket 4 Pro delivers a polished and powerful portable gaming experience. Product 4. Product name: Niambit D110 Mini Portable Thermal Printer. The Niambit D110 Mini Portable Thermal Printer is a compact, ink-free label maker designed for convenience and versatility in personal, office, or small business use. Unlike traditional printers, the D110 uses thermal printing technology, which eliminates the need for ink or toner. Instead, it prints using heat-sensitive, self-adhesive label paper, making it cost-effective and low maintenance. This portable printer is lightweight and pocket-sized, making it ideal for mobile labeling tasks. It connects via Bluetooth to a smartphone using the Niambit app, which offers a range of customization options for fonts, icons, borders, and barcodes, ideal for organizing household items, office files, storage bins, kitchen jars, or even crafting and DIY projects. In the context of the above interest in compact and multifunctional tools, the Niambit D110 aligns well as a practical and smart gadget. Product 5. Product name: NFC Epoxy Keychains. NFC Epoxy Keychains are compact, durable, and versatile smart accessories designed for seamless interaction with NFC-enabled devices. These keychains incorporate the NFC 213 chip, operating at 13.56 MHz, and are compliant with ISO 14443A standards. With a storage capacity of 144 bytes, they are ideal for a variety of near-field communication, NFC, applications such as access control, digital business cards, smart sharing, and automation triggers. Thanks to their epoxy resin coating, these keychains are not only visually appealing with a glossy, high-quality finish but also highly resistant to water, dust, and physical wear, making them suitable for daily use on key rings, bags, or badges. Their universal compatibility with all NFC-enabled smartphones ensures ease of use across different devices without needing additional software. In short, NFC Epoxy Keychains powered by the NFC 213 chip offer a reliable and stylish solution for users looking to integrate NFC technology into their personal or professional life, whether for security, convenience, or creative digital interactions. Product 6. Product name: Hand Crank Ice Shaver. The Hand Crank Ice Shaver is a compact and user-friendly kitchen gadget designed for creating snow cones, slushies, and refreshing ice-based treats, making it especially fun and safe for kids. This manual ice crusher features a durable hand crank mechanism that allows users to shave ice effortlessly without the need for electricity, making it ideal for home kitchens, picnics, or outdoor gatherings. It's perfect for family-friendly activities and encourages creative snack making using flavored syrups or fresh fruits. With a small, space-saving design, the ice shaver is easy to store and clean, making it a practical addition to any kitchen, particularly for households that enjoy cold desserts and kid-friendly appliances. Product 7. Product name: Metal Mini Fan. The Metal Mini Fan real-time display clock is a compact and functional USB-powered fan designed for use with laptops, PCs, and notebooks. Built with a durable metal frame, this mini cooling fan is not only sturdy but also sleek in appearance, making it a practical desktop accessory. What sets this fan apart is its flashing LED clock display, which shows the real-time clock on the spinning blades, offering both a visual novelty and practical timekeeping. Operating on DC 5V through a USB connection, it requires no external power source or batteries, making it ideal for travel, office use, or bedside cooling. The small night light feature adds gentle illumination, which is perfect for late-night work or relaxing environments. Despite its size, the fan delivers a steady and effective airflow to help keep users cool while working or browsing. Product 8. Product name: OrcaTorch SD01 Pro. The OrcaTorch SD01 Pro is a compact and highly effective scuba diving strobe beacon designed to enhance underwater visibility and safety during night dives or low visibility conditions. Functioning as a mini glow tank dive signal light, the SD01 Pro serves as a reliable underwater lantern that emits flashing or steady light modes, making it ideal for use as a night flashing marker light. Built with a robust and waterproof aluminum alloy housing, it withstands depths up to 150 meters, 492 feet, ensuring dependable performance for both recreational and professional divers. This dive signal light is equipped with multiple color options, such as red, green, blue, white, allowing for group identification or buddy tracking during dives. Its compact size and low weight make it easy to attach to tanks, BCDs, or dive gear without adding bulk. Powered by a user-replaceable battery, the SD01 Pro offers extended runtime, making it an essential safety accessory for underwater adventures, night dives, cave explorations, and deep-sea photography sessions. Product 9. Product name: Vandlion A23 Mini Digital Camera. The Vandlion A23 Mini Digital Camera is a compact, versatile device designed for high-definition video recording in various settings. With its 1080p Full HD capability, it ensures clear and detailed footage, making it suitable for activities ranging from sports to security monitoring. Key features: high-quality video recording, captures videos in 1080p Full HD at 30 frames per second, providing sharp and smooth visuals. Extended battery life: equipped with a 2900 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, the camera offers up to 14 hours of continuous recording, ideal for prolonged use without frequent recharging. Infrared night vision: features IR night vision capabilities, allowing for clear recording in low light or nighttime conditions, enhancing its utility for security purposes. Motion detection: the built-in motion detection function enables the camera to start recording automatically when movement is detected, conserving storage and battery life. Loop recording: supports loop recording, which automatically overwrites the oldest files when the memory card is full, ensuring continuous recording without manual intervention. Expandable storage: compatible with micro SD/TF cards ranging from 4 GB to 128 GB, providing ample storage options based on user needs. Product 10. Product name T-Body Electric Screwdriver. The T-Body electric screwdriver is a compact, versatile tool designed for home furniture repair and other light-duty DIY tasks. Equipped with a 3-speed torque adjustment, it offers precise control for various screw driving needs, whether you're assembling flat-pack furniture or tightening hinges. Powered by a 1500 mAh lithium battery, the screwdriver delivers consistent performance and can be conveniently recharged via USB-C, ensuring minimal downtime. The built-in LED light enhances visibility in dimly lit workspaces, making it especially useful for reaching into tight corners or under cabinets. Its ergonomic T-shaped design allows for comfortable handling and better grip, making it an ideal tool for both beginners and experienced users seeking a portable, efficient, and easy-to-use electric screwdriver for everyday repairs and maintenance tasks around the home. Product 11. Product name AI Translator Wireless Earphones. The AI Translator wireless earphones with mic, intelligent touchscreen, and hi-fi Bluetooth 5.4 headphones are an innovative blend of technology, convenience, and quality sound. These earphones feature an AI-powered translation function, making them perfect for travelers or anyone needing real-time language translation. Equipped with an intuitive touchscreen for easy control, users can easily switch between modes, adjust settings, or initiate translations. The Bluetooth 5.4 technology ensures stable, high-speed connectivity with your devices, while the sports noise reduction feature enhances the listening experience, blocking out background noise for clearer audio. Whether you are exercising, working, or commuting, these earphones provide both high-quality sound and seamless interaction with smart devices. These earphones combine cutting-edge technology with practical design, making them suitable for a wide range of uses, from language translation to enjoying music or taking calls hands-free. Product 12. Product name Mini Lemon Juicer. The Mini Lemon Juicer Orange Squeezer is a compact and convenient manual citrus juicer designed to easily extract fresh juice from lemons, oranges, and other citrus fruits. Perfect for those who enjoy freshly squeezed juice but don't want to deal with bulky electric juicers, this simple-to-use tool allows you to preserve the natural freshness and flavor of your citrus fruits. Made from durable plastic, the new plastic manual citrus juicer is easy to handle and ensures minimal effort while squeezing. Its compact size makes it ideal for smaller kitchens, campers, or those on the go. The design is optimized to extract maximum juice, ensuring no wastage and preserving the zest of your fruits. The Easy Juice Extractor feature offers an ergonomic design that allows for a comfortable grip while you squeeze, making it user-friendly for everyone. Whether you're making lemonade, orange juice, or adding a splash of citrus to a dish, this handy kitchen tool is an excellent addition to your collection of kitchen essentials. Product 13. Product name Xiaomi Mijia Mini Camera. The Xiaomi Mijia 1080p HD Wi-Fi 5G mini camera is a compact and feature-rich security camera designed for home surveillance. It offers high-definition 1080p video recording, ensuring clear and sharp footage. Equipped with 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, it ensures fast data transfer and a stable connection for remote monitoring. The camera includes night vision capabilities, allowing it to record clearly in low-light environments, making it ideal for 24/7 surveillance. This mini camera also supports motion detection, alerting you to any movement in its range, enhancing security. Additionally, it functions as a micro camcorder, capturing audio and video for a complete monitoring experience. The small size of the Xiaomi Mijia camera makes it highly portable, allowing it to be placed discreetly around the home or office, while still providing effective surveillance. Whether you're looking for a security solution or a versatile recorder, this mini camera offers both practicality and performance. Product 14. Product name Mini USB Night Light. The Mini USB Night Light is a compact and energy-efficient lighting solution designed to provide warm white illumination with eye protection, making it ideal for reading or use in low-light environments. This product features a USB plug, allowing it to be powered by various devices such as computers, mobile power banks, or USB adapters. Its LED technology ensures long-lasting use with low energy consumption, and its eye-protective warm white light is soft, reducing strain on the eyes, especially during late-night reading or working. Available in sets of 1 to 10 pieces, these lights are versatile and portable, offering convenience for multiple rooms or locations. The USB charging functionality allows easy and flexible setup, making it suitable for both home and office use. Whether you need a book reading light, a subtle ambient light, or an additional light source for tasks requiring focus, this mini USB night light provides an efficient and practical solution. Product 15. Product name Hispedido. The Hispedido for Atari Lynx 640x 483.5 IPS LCD Retro Pixel HD screen is an advanced display upgrade designed for the classic Atari Lynx game console. This screen offers a significant enhancement over the original by providing a high-definition 640x 480 resolution on a 3.5-inch IPS LCD display, allowing players to enjoy a more vibrant and clearer visual experience while playing their retro games. The IPS technology ensures better color accuracy and wider viewing angles, which is particularly valuable for handheld gaming. Moreover, the HDMI compatibility enables users to connect the console to modern displays, adding versatility for playing on larger screens. This feature ensures that the console can be enjoyed both in its traditional portable form and as part of a more expansive gaming setup. The retro pixel style keeps the nostalgic feel of the original Atari Lynx games while elevating the visual output to meet modern expectations.